Very, very, very good evening, my dear friends from Roundtable, Lady Circle, India, and a special welcome to Manish Lakhotia and his very, very, very beautiful wife, Khushbu Lakhotia. So, friends, before we proceed, I've got to ask you one small question, and the question is this: what do you do when you have one of the most enterprising person and one of the most intelligent teacher in one room? And what do you do when they're both married to each other? And it's not a normal marriage, it's a rock solid marriage. But let me tell you something, they're poles apart. He is diplomatic, she is opinionated. He is the lull, she is the storm. He hates gossip, and that is what she always does. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome our esteemed guest with a round of applause and a drum roll, Manish Lakhotia and Khushbu Lakhotia.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Very, very first time we have Manish and Khushbu on any chat show. And it's a sheer privilege that I have you guys here. How are you feeling, Manish? How are you feeling, Khushbu?
With the
Manish,
preparation.
haven't you heard? Ladies first. Let the lady talk first, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Kunal, I'm very, very happy. Thank you for this superb introduction. You don't have to be so honest. I can see just like I don't have a filter, you don't have a filter. So, be good, be kind.
Perfect. And Manish, how are you feeling today?
I was actually relaxed 2 days ago, but
Uh-huh.
since the 2 days with the kind of preparation I am seeing, now I'm a bit tensed. However, it's a privilege to be part of this chat show. It's a first thing for me as well.
Uh-huh.
So, and who better than KKRT 293? And again, I'm getting the table circle name right, if I'm not wrong, 156.
Manish, this is not your campaigning platform. Please keep that to yourself. So you are not going to take control any which ways. Okay, very well. So, Manish, we know you as an area chairman. We've seen you for a long time. But there's something I really don't know about. How did you manage to get Khushbu? Like, how did you guys meet? Where did you guys meet? Where did the action started happening? What was the real charm?
Okay, so we met in Bangalore,
Uh-huh.
and we met through a common friend who was along with me in my hostel days.
Uh-huh.
And then there was, two common friends actually, common friend, and then finally we met in Bangalore. She was studying in Mount Carmel. I was studying in Jain College, and as generally happens, college में girlfriend होना चाहिए. So yeah, we tried, and but yeah, the one thing which I would like to say is she approached me, not me.
Okay, very, very well. There's
He
some
is, he is lying. My God.
every relationship has a reacher and a settler. You know, every relationship has a reacher and a settler. And I am sorry, Manish, if I sound rude to you, but Khushbu, you look like the settler.
Yes, you think I won, right?
Yes. How did you fall for Manish? What was the reason you fell for Manish?
If I tell you honestly, him and his bunch of guys, he was the only one who had a car. So I was like, yes, sahi hai. I
So
mean, guy, who has a car in college, So I thought that, yeah, he's pretty good. So, yes.
So was
So
that
it
the
was his car and not the boy. I first saw the car and then I saw Manish and I was like, yeah. But we didn't think that we would marry or anything. It was just that he wanted entry in this with a girl and I wanted someone to pay for my drinks. Very simple. It was a very symbiotic relationship.
so how did it get so comfortable? How did you when did you start getting serious with him?
We started getting serious, I guess, about when we were in final year, and then he went off to UK to study. I went back to Dibrugarh to do my postgrad, and I actually went to meet another guy for arranged marriage, and that's when we actually decided that we cannot marry total strangers. Let's get married.
Okay.
So that is how it actually happened.
Uh-huh. And you know, we've always seen Khushbu. Manish is very prim, very proper. How is he like a husband? How is he when he's at home? What is something that really annoys you? Like, Manish, can you stop that, please? What is it one thing that Manish does that really annoys you?
okay, I
Okay,
didn't know it was Manish bashing show, huh?
Manish will get your time. Don't worry.
Manish, make
So
sure that you don't get your time.
Yeah. No. So one thing that really annoys is that he will always stand in front of the mirror, look at himself. Okay. So he's so self-conscious. He will keep looking at himself and be like, बाल मतलब टकला दिख रहा है क्या पेट दिख रहा है क्या because you know he might not look very vain to you guys but he's actually very very vain and he's always constantly thinking about how he's looking.
Are you serious? He doesn't look like that kind
Yes.
of person to me.
He
Manish
wants to
is,
look effortless. After a lot of effort, he looks effortless.
Manish is that.
Well, okay, this is kind of true, but it's actually good also. No, you take effort, all the effort at the back end, and then when you are in front, you are chilled and chilled out. So it's good. Yeah, I kind of agree with that. I will not say self-conscious, but self-obsessed बोल सकता हूँ when it comes to the looks part. Yes.
Khushbu, has he ever flirted with any girl after marriage? Has he ever approached
No.
any girl? Let Khushbu answer, Manish. Don't take the stage. This is not your.
I still have not, but it is in my bucket list. I will do it very soon.
I'm asking, has he ever flirted with anybody else?
Some other girl?
Yes.
I wish he flirted with me. What other girl? I've never seen him flirt with other girls. so we were in Pattaya and his friends paid a girl to flirt with him and he sat and chatted with her. So my friends were asking me, Facebook friend banana hai kya? Isko kya kar raha hai? Paise aur baat kar diye. So he was like, what is your name? Where are you from? So this is how he is. At least in front of me, I don't know what he does behind my back. You will be able to tell me, no? All your guy parties that you have.
He's always been very sincere on the phone. I don't know if he's talking to the same girl whom he met in Pattaya or not, but he's always on the. Have you guys ever encountered any cops or something? कभी life में हुआ है कि पुलिस पकड़ लिया हो, बड़े भैया ने help किया हो? It's always.
Oh, my God, who have you spoken to? Who told you that?
Manish, have you ever been caught by a cop?
No, not
Many
caught.
times.
Yeah, means so,
We've
okay,
been chased by cops.
this is an interesting story, maybe.
Uma here is laughing. I can see because she knows the story.
Yeah,
Why
so
by the cop? I don't know.
Uma is actually the first half, the first 2 years, Uma knows each and everything, what we used to do and what used to happen with us. Okay, yeah, cop once caught us, not once, 2-3 times, but the first time which I remember is, and that is actually imprinted in the mind, and that is, it was when we were first kissing each other in the car. It was somewhere in a no stopping area. The board was there, no stopping, and we were stopping there. And it was the first kiss between each other, but the first kiss, and it was first kiss for me as with any girl. So at that time, you were totally in the moment, and suddenly when you open your eyes and you see two police, with the rifle aiming at you in front of the car, and 2 person coming and trying to open the door. So at that time, I couldn't think of anything. Just took the car and fled from that particular area. And उस समय ये दिमाग में आया कि भाई को बताते हैं, भाई को बोलते हैं कि गाड़ी चेंज कर लेते हैं, वरना पता नहीं they can call to the other police and try to track us down.
लड़का जवान हो गया.
नहीं, भाई को मैं बोला मैं गाड़ी सिखा रहा था. भाई बोला रात को 1:30 बजे तू किसको गाड़ी सिखा रहा है? That was the thing.
And I still don't know how to drive a car, by the way. Okay, so I've never learned it. He never taught me how to drive.
How were you feeling that day? What was your first approach? Like, what was?
Okay, so we were doing it in the car, and then there was this thuk thuk thuk, and then I got very scared. I thought ki ab to Papa is going to. Yes.
Just a small thing. Manish said you were KISSING. You said you were doing it. So I'm little.
We were kissing only. We were kissing in the car. Yes. So then there was this thuk 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 on the gate, and I was so scared. I thought कि अब ये तो पापा को बता देंगे और पापा घर बुला लेंगे, हो गया पढ़ाई लिखाई सब बंद. But then the cops were trying to open the gate, the door of the car, and then we just ran. Okay, so then Manish went अपने घर के नीचे and called his brother. So it was. I didn't know that I would marry this boy and look and he still does not stop telling me bhaiya, because he has to remind me I think once a year that this is, and I still don't know how to drive, by the way, but I learned what he was teaching me in the car, so I'm very good at it.
And what kind of a guy is Manish? You're very chivalrous, very flamboyant? Does he shower with you very expensive gifts, or does he make your birthday special? What kind of a person is he?
Okay, like I told you, I married him because we had a car, but then मेरे को अभी तक return on investment मिला नहीं है, ठीक है? So I've yet to get my gifts. No, nothing is not bought me any gifts till now. So I have a very conjuice husband. Yeah, so that's it.
I can see Manish's smile go very, very soon, and I can see Khushbu winning the coffee hamper.
No, I have a different take on it, though it might sound boring, but ठीक है प्यार यार ठीक है. I know people will not agree with it.
So what's your take, Manish bhai? What's your take?
My take is very simple यार ठीक है. It's not necessary. Gifts मतलब ठीक है boring लगेगा, but हाँ gifts यार जरूरत नहीं है उतना. And she is managing it, so ठीक है. It's okay. We have passed 14 years now. Married.
Okay. Very, very well. And Khushbu, does he bring tabling home? What kind of a person is he when he's at home? Does he bring tabling home?
Yeah, absolutely. He brings tabling home. He's constantly on the phone talking to some tabler, or he's on a Zoom meeting. So he's always on. And the tabling is in my room. He does it in my bedroom. So it is just there. It is always there. It has this constant presence in my life. Suddenly it has become very, very important. Yeah.
This is an interesting question. Manish, I want you to look here and there. Don't look at the camera. Khushbu, who is one person whom he always keeps bitching about? Who is that one person जिसके बारे में सिर्फ खराब बात बोलता है?
टेबलिंग में? जिसके बारे में सिर्फ कुणाल, I think she's very jealous of you. सिर्फ तुम्हारे बारे में बोलता है.
Come on, stop. You're not thinking. Johar, tell me the truth.
Come on. He keeps telling me that yaar ye itna acha bolta hai, itna acha dikhta hai. So I think he's always bitching about you. Yeah.
And that is the truth, Kunal, I think. So you know that. I've already told you many times.
I can see the fear. I can literally see the fear on your face today. Okay, so now that we're talking about tabling, Manish, one small question I have about route to presidency. Route to presidency है या route to transparency है? क्या है वो?
अच्छा, अभी as on date तो route to transparency है.
Oh, I thought it's route to presidency. So what is route to transparency?
Okay, route to transparency is very simple. People who are associated with the association should know what is happening in the association, and you should create a platform where on a regular basis they know what is happening in if you know the accounts and money what is flowing in and out, then you know what is happening in the entire association in general. So that is what I thought after the fiasco, what we all saw last year. At least that is the base which we can create, and I was good. I got a good support from the head board as well in implementing that. So that is route to transparency. It's very simple.
Kill me. Someone please come and kill me. I can't handle such boring answers. Khushbu, where are you?
I know you miss me. I'm right here.
I know. The day I got this invite, I knew people will. After end of the show, people will, actually understand.
People will vote for me. People will vote for me. Yes.
Is that a route to transparency, or is that a route to presidency? What do you think?
I think it is a route. It is a very transparent route to presidency.
Okay. So one more question, Manish. Usually, I've heard that people become NT, then they become NS, then they become NVP. How come you just want to be from NT to NVP? ये NS करने का मन नहीं करा ना. हिम्मत मेहनत कौन करेगा, कौन इतना टाइम वेस्ट करे. सीधा सीधी प्रेसिडेंट बनो, फिर इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट बनो, काम खत्म. क्या? Makes sense.
Observing the reaction to my answers, there are two answers to it. One is the masala one, and one is the actual one. Which one would you want to listen to? Tell me that, I'll answer accordingly.
Let's ask the audience. Audience, which answer do you want to listen to? Do you want to listen to the masala one, or do you want to listen? Kaushal तुम्हारा दोस्त ही रहेगा. Both लिखती है.
Kaushal दोस्त है भाई. 293 में सब दोस्त है. आज इस particular 1.5 घंटा के लिए apart from you. Masala. Priya Daga, she is my favorite today. Masala. Rahul, masala. Everybody wants masala apart from Kaushal. So we'll make everybody happy. First, give us the diplomatic answer. Okay, the diplomatic answer is very simple. With being national, not diplomatic, it's the right answer. Okay, diplomatic nowadays people think it's a very negative word. It's actually not.
Right.
But yeah, it's a right answer, and that is with the national treasurer post, you get a lot of exposure, which a headboard person has to do. With NS, you get additional 20%. So as I have done national treasurer, I'll be completing by the end of this year. So you have the enough experience in terms of what you have to do in the headboard. So yes, with being the NVP, you can cover up that 20%. Second, it also gives me a chance that, you know, if I become national president, let's say, in the year which I've applied for, then 2 years with the given international exposure Roundtable India has right now, it might be utilized there as well. The 2 year remaining which I'll be having after the post of national presidentship, if I get elected. And third, in terms of masala, if I would say, yes, national secretary ka kaam bahut, kind of a, it's a set calm. There is no extra thing which you can do. There are set rules and everything. So
मनीष भाई सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, जो भी बोलेंगे सब रिकॉर्डिंग करके सचिन भाई को भेज दूंगा एसटी वाले ग्रुप में.
तो सचिन भाई खुद, सुमित भाई, सचिन भाई खुद ये बात बोलते हैं, तो आई हैव गॉट नो इश्यूज. अदर सब एनएस यही बात बोला आज के डेट में. आप तो करंट एसटी हो, आप जानते हो. तो yes, that is one thing. And second, given the trend that now we are seeing many people, you know, coming, there are elections irrespective. एक साल बचता भी है. The campaigning mode is not that good for any tabler, I would say.
Makes sense, makes sense. But to be very honest, I think you are the luckiest person alive in Roundtable India at least. जब आपको एरिया चेयरमैन बनना था, you fought with a big heavyweight and somehow you managed to escape through. जब आपको एंटी बनना था, you had some other contestant और पता नहीं क्या हुआ, आपको एंटी बन गया, वो वाला चीज. अब आपका एनवीपी बनने का टाइम है. आई एम pretty sure कि आप मोटा मोटी जो भी समझो आप हो ही जाएगा.
वैसे आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, but yeah, I would say is I have done my hard work. Okay. And yes, have been in the right place, right time. So you can call that.
One more instance.
But the hard work is there.
One more thing I don't know a lot of people know about is that, you know, Manish and I, we were having a conversation, and the first time he was contesting for the area chairman position, I asked him, I don't like cigarettes and I don't like people having cigarettes. So I asked him, Manish bhai, once you win the election, will you quit smoking? And he said, of course, pakka yaar, ye cigarette wicket hai kya cheez, chhod denge. Acha chalo theek hai. In the election, I asked him, Manish, have you left cigarette? What are you talking about, buddy? I'm not aware of this thing. Acha chalo theek hai. Again, NTK election ke time, I asked him, if you win this time, will you then leave cigarette? He's like, of course. Cigarette mein rakha hi kya hai? Again, he won. And I'm again asking you, have you left cigarette, Manish bhai?
Me? I've reduced it. I'm in the process. You said na route to presidency, so slowly ja raha.
So what if you win the NVP? Can I assume, or can I ask you, in the podium where everybody is watching you, it's like a public challenge to you, do you think you're going to still leave cigarette or not?
I will reduce the brand in the sense, अभी बहुत hard cigarette पीता हूँ, उसको कम कर दूंगा. That will help a lot.
Kunal, I think your question is the lucky mojo. Ask him again and then he'll win again.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
Lucky mascot for you. I'm going to ask you one more time. If you're going to win this NVP, are you going to leave cigarette?
So yeah, definitely I'll try and leave it. This is the standard answer I've been giving you every time.
Okay, very well. अच्छा खुशबू एक चीज पूछना था, small little question I have for you. So when two people fight, I mean when your kids fight and there's only one chocolate, does Manish break it into two halves and give one to one child and the other to other child?
No, he will eat it himself. He loves chocolate so much. My kids never leave their chocolates with him because it's not safe.
तो उसका शेयरिंग का आदत नहीं है कि दो जन में बांटने का उसका कोई आदत ऐसा है नहीं?
नहीं, वो sharing, he believes in sharing, but not when it comes to chocolates.
Okay, but when it comes to award, then he believes to sharing because he gave the best floor tabler award to Sanidhya and to Ravi. First time ever, best floor award दो जन में share हुआ है. Manish bhai, who had to sleep with whom to give the award to whom?
Nobody slept with me. I'm that way straight. This kind of issue nahi hai. See, okay, this is something which is new. I actually forgot whatever awards I gave or that area board gave. See, Sanidhya worked a lot during my time. And,
So do you mean to say Ravi did not work, but you gave it to him anyways?
No. I am coming to the answer. Let me complete. Sanidhya worked a lot. There is a general trend where, we don't try to give best floor tabler for secretaries and table chairman, because as it is, they get a lot of other awards and recognitions. But throughout the EL, I saw that gentleman, in spite of having the secretaryship, he was actually involved in every other activities of area, trying to motivate people and everything. And this particular thing, which was stopping many area chairmen, I thought, okay, it's both of them deserve it. And yes, that's it. That is my reason I gave both of them. And,
Audience, do you think he's talking the truth? Audience, please comment on the chat box. Do you think he's talking the truth, or he's just making this up to sound good? Audience, I request you to please comment in the chat box. Is he making this up?
So till the time they're commenting, I don't know, but I'll tell you one thing. He has been your HT, your table HT, Amit Pansari, everybody knows. Right? And I find Amit Bhai a bit of, he has some critical answers to every point. When I finished my area AGM, I was very happy with his comment, what he gave to me at that time, that he called me and he told me he was having a drink, I was having a drink, and he told that I give you 90% out of 100 with the way you have distributed the awards and recognitions. And I was very happy. Mullah, thank you, sir. Your 90% is 150 for me, because you are having a critical view many times. So coming out from you, 90% is good. So I think that is good enough certification for me, at least per se.
Acha. Priya Daga says he is surely G. What does G mean, Priya? Please let us know that as well.
वो कानपुरिया है, वो कुछ भी लिख सकती है G से.
अच्छा मनीष भाई, एक बहुत सीरियस बात सुन के ना मजा नहीं आ रहा है. ऑडियंस को मसाला चाहिए, सो लेट मी ट्राई टू गिव देम द मसाला. अच्छा, एक जन का नाम बताओ जो आपके चेयरमैनशिप टेन्योर में तो अरे मनीष यार तू मस्त है यार, मनीष तेरे संग हूँ, मनीष तू जो बोलेगा वो करूंगा, और आपका चेयरमैनशिप का जब खत्म हुआ तो उसने अपना असली रंग दिखा दिया. आई वांट अ नेम फ्रॉम यू.
मेरे संग करेगा नेम. Okay, now I think that this episode is moving towards those answers. But again, you will sound me boring, but there is no one. Frankly speaking, there is no one.
Come on, Khushbu. Khushbu gave it with an expression. You are lying.
But I will give you a very good answer to it, and which I mean, which I actually, it's a frank opinion. There was one.
Jhoot. Arna Khetawat says jhoot.
Arna Khetawat said jhoot. Yeah, Rishan bhai hai kya? If I'm not wrong. But मैं आपको एक सही answer देता हूँ, if Arna Khetawat is Nishan Khetawat, I told him during my chairmanship also. There was one guy which I was scared of during my entire area chairmanship tenure, and that was PK. With the history what we had, I thought, it might be there are situations wherein he can create some troubles and everything and unnecessary issues.
Not the question. That is not the question. Stop stating the
obvious. But this I mean it. I want to say, if you want to hear that.
Stop stating the obvious. Give me a name of one person. Otherwise, you can say I don't have the balls. I will agree to that answer, or you have to take a name.
I'll never accept it that I don't have the balls, because I've always said it in front. But actually, there is no name, yaar. There is no one. I would say actually Kunal. Kunal, after area chairmanship, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को हीरो समझने लग गया.
Option A, I don't have the balls. Option 2, fill in the blanks. मतलब दिमाग में है, जबान पे नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है सर, क्योंकि जो था वो एरिया चैंपियनशिप टाइम पे भी वैसा ही था.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है. Let me not push you more. Let me ask you one more question. अच्छा, ये हम लोग के WhatsApp ग्रुप से ये सारे HT लोग को निकालने का आइडिया क्या था? ये क्यों निकाला? मतलब क्या ऐसा आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि उन लोग को निकालना पड़ा WhatsApp ग्रुप से HT लोग? भले मानुस बैठे थे, कभी देख लेते थे. आपको ऐसा क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि इनको WhatsApp ग्रुप से निकाल दिया?
So there is no personal problem, and first of all, it didn't come out from me. But yeah, I took the bait and I thought I will try to.
Whose idea was it?
There were 4 or 5 people. Like, it was not idea. See, you have to understand. It was a very clear-cut thing.
I think there are 250. बाप के अदालत बनते जा रहे हैं मनीष भाई.
सर सुनो ना एक बार. 256 members हैं. ठीक है. there were 256 members, and you can add it in a WhatsApp group. And new members who were getting inducted were not able to be added.
Okay.
So at that time, it was a conscious decision, where Jeet also came into picture. I also came into picture. The area head board at that time, Amit Bhai was also there. We all took a decision that then I took, scaredly, I called up Bunty Bhai. And Bunty Bhai, Mahesh Bhai, Rohit Bajaj, तीन जन को मैंने फोन किया था कि आप, I am scared, my hands are trembling, but at least you don't leave like this, but at least when you're leaving, then at least you write a good message. And they understood the fact and they came out. And it happened 1.5 year, 2 years ago. And it was initiated by, I took the bait, so I did it.
Chalo, perfect. Let's more. I'm guessing you guys have had a taste of what is coming, because now is the most crucial part of the show, which can either break you or it can either make you.
I'm thinking I'm breaking already.
More often than not, I'm guessing it will break you. So it's the rapid fire round. Make sure it has fire and it is rapid. So Manish Bhai and Khushbu,
Yes.
would go first?
I think Manish should go first.
Manish, would you want to go first or would you want Khushbu?
I think ladies first. I'll be prepared by that time. As you wish, Kunal. I'm okay.
Your question
Okay.
is very easy. Manish is going to have a difficult time. So let's go with you first.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to be rapid fire. And
Yes.
starts now.
And thank you for this.
Have a sip of coffee. Thank you for brand endorsement.
Yes.
People have spent a lot of money on all these things. Thank you for showing it off.
Thank you.
Very well. So Khushbu, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are your seatbelts fastened?
I have a Gucci belt fastened.
Oh wow, what are you wearing? What are you wearing back there?
Nothing. I'm wearing AirPods if you want to see. Pro.
I think Khushbu told me before the chat show, just ask what I'm wearing. I forgot. Sorry, my bad. Khushbu.
No, I did not say that. You're such a liar. I said, don't ask me what I'm wearing. Ask me who I'm wearing.
Who are you wearing?
I'm just wearing some online shopping site. So please don't make me answer that question.
Sound modest. That's why you want me to ask you this.
No, okay, let's start with the rapid fire round.
Okay, very well. Let's start with the rapid fire round. So Khushbu, your first question is this. One thing
Okay.
you hate about Manish.
One thing I hate about Manish, he never compliments me.
Okay. And would you want him to compliment more often?
At least start, yeah, because people tell me you're looking good, and I just waiting for him to compliment, which is very sad.
So let's make your dream come true. Manish bhai, can you please do the needful?
Yeah, I can do it if you tell me. You're looking very good, Squishy.
He will do anything if that table is pleasant. Okay, he's like these two different people, with me and then with tablers. He's like, पूरा इसका personality change हो जाता है. It's like split
अरे खुशी,
personality.
ये शो 1.5 घंटा का है. मेरे को भी आगे 4 साल बिताना है.
अरे, I can rant for 4 hours if people are willing to listen.
Okay, so Manish bhai, let's have a compliment for her.
So you're looking ravishing, man.
It should be 5 lines.
5 lines. I'll say 5 words. You're looking good. You're looking fabulous. You're looking very hot and ravishing. And yeah, okay. You're looking too delicious as well.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, second question, Manish deserves to be the MVP because?
Manish deserves to be the MVP because I think he will be very good for the movement, and he will bring about a few changes that might be necessary in the organization.
Wow, that's exactly what Michelle Obama said about Obama.
Did she?
Third question, what does Manish have that Robin and Ashish don't?
He has me.
Okay, that was a good one. Anything else that will help him in tabling journey?
Yeah, he's already the national treasurer, so I think it is. He has the advantage that he's already in touch with most of the tablers across the country. I think that is a very big advantage that he has.
Manish bhai, next time you go for your campaigning, please do take her along. I think she was very, very confident when she said that. Okay. Next question is, what's the meanest thing that anybody has said about your teaching career?
The meanest thing? They've never commented anything bad about the way I teach. They usually are very taken aback by the fees that I charge.
Oh wow, that's. By the way, guys, before we proceed, everyone should know that Khushi is a brilliant maths teacher, and she's so good at calculation that she calculated that Manish has a good bank balance and she married her.
By the way, the maths that I teach has no numbers, okay? It's mostly calculus and other stuff. So I'm not good with numbers and calculations.
Who's the coolest Manish that you know? The area chairman, the father, the son, or the husband?
The father. He's the coolest when he's with his kids.
Oh, I can see Manish smiling now. A book on Manish would be titled
I, Me, Myself. He's
Is he-
obsessed with himself.
Is he that obsessed?
Yeah, he is.
Manish, are you that obsessed that the book will be titled I, Me, Myself?
Well, in public, I never say a no. So, take it. Yes.
A book on yourself would be titled as Khushbu.
It is my line on The Local Gatsby. I love throwing parties.
Oh, wow, that's nice. 3 things no one knows about you.
3 things people don't know about me.
Yes.
But I don't want them to know those about me.
Come on, it's rapid and it's fire. Give me both.
3 things people don't know about me is that, okay, I once tried, we actually tried to, okay, no, I'm not, can I come back to it again? 3 things people don't know about me.
I will give you that one. You've been such a nice guest. I'll give that one to
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
One thing I can add is she knows about tabling as much as I am, and she's updated about tabling as much as I am.
मनीष भाई अपना चांस के लिए वेट कर लो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay, if you had to dedicate a song for Manish, what would it be? Please sing it for us.
Sing it for you.
Dedicate it. It's funny. Give it as much spunk as you can. As spunky as Khushbu.
Song for Manish. तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहां मैं हूँ वहां अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा.
Oh wow, that was amazing.
Thank you.
What does it mean when you tell Manish we need to talk?
It really means that we need to talk.
And when do you tell him this?
I tell him that when he does not give me enough time and attention. So, I love attention and I want his attention the most. So if I feel that he's taking me for granted, that is when it is we need to talk.
Okay, one last question which we had skipped earlier. 3 things no one knows about you.
Okay, I tried to leak a question paper when I was in college. And so it was in that paper that I got very less marks. So from then I resorted that I should rather study. Okay. And then the second thing people don't know about me is that I like to sing, but I have a very bad voice. So I sing when I'm alone. And third thing people don't know about me is that I hate playing board games with my kids, but I play with them. I hate doing that.
Okay. The last question, brace yourself. This one's a little difficult. Sing the song for Ashish Sonthalia. What Manish would sing for Ashish Sonthalia. He's competing for MVP, if you don't know that.
I know who is Ashish. I know who he is, but sing a song for him.
Ashish Sonthalia. What song will Manish sing for Ashish Sonthalia?
I don't know actually. What would...
We are expecting much from you.
You're putting so much pressure on me. What song would Manish sing for Ashish Sonthalia? I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know.
Come on.
Nothing is coming. Just give me like 10 seconds.
Dekhe zara kism jam ke
Rakhna kadam mere sathiya.
Okay. So now this one I gave you a hint. So next one is going to be simple. Robin. What song would he sing for Robin?
पता है मुझे गाना ही नहीं याद आ रहा है अभी.
अच्छा ठीक है. If you have to give a brand endorsement to Robin, तो कौन सा brand endorse करवाओगे?
If Robin had to sell something, I think he would be I don't know them really well to answer these questions. You know, I just know that there is this guy called Robin who is in the same, fighting for the same post. Other than that, I don't really know him.
Perfect. I give you that one. You were very, very rapid and you had fire in few of the answers. Very well played, Khushbu. Now,
Thank you. Thank you.
Manish. I don't know why I'm having a smile within myself knowing how you would feel after this round.
I know your teaser said that he will get smashed, so I'm waiting to see how you smash him.
I hope I am still the candidate after this 15 minutes.
I'm very glad to see that the participants' number did not reduce and they did not go away. So thank you guys for staying.
You were good, Khushi. You were good. Had it been on Manish, I'm sure it would have been a campaigning thing. But because of you, the number of participants didn't go down.
Let's see what he does now.
Perfect. So Manish bhai, are you ready for the most turbulent ride you've ever been through?
I hope so.
Perfect. First question for you. Rank in the order of your preference. Priyesh, Maurya, Sachin Shah.
Priyesh, Maurya, Sachin Shah. I would rate Priyesh first, then Sachin, and then Maurya.
Any reason?
No, there is no reason as such. Just because I know them much. I have been with Priyesh a lot because when we are campaigning together. So yes, then Sachin bhai, because of his Mr. Rightness, he is right, and many times he is right. He has got good angle towards every situations. And Maurya bhai have been on and off, but ठीक है, it's ऐसा ज़्यादा interaction उतना नहीं हुआ, कम हुआ.
So I'll be a good friend for you, and next time if you want to quit or leave any answer, you can tell me, Kunal, I want to just not answer this. Okay. So choose.
Okay, fair enough.
Choose among the two. PK, Jeet. Whom would you
Choose
want?
among the two.
Whom would you want to
I
go?
would always choose PK.
You would want to go on a vacation with PK.
Yeah, I don't mind. Brother Khushi and Devika are very good friends.
Why not Jeet? Was he not your good friend?
No, he's a good friend. He's a good friend. But yeah, if you want to go in a couple, then Khushi and the wife don't know each other much. Devika and Khushi have partied a lot in many NAGMs.
Bunty Bhai Raja.
Bunty Bhai Raja, Bunty Bhai, obviously. And I'm sure Raja will also answer the same.
Why not Raja?
Raja, again, Bunty Bhai se zyada interaction hai bhai. Bunty Bhai is someone who takes care of everyone. And Raja Bhai se interaction hai, but tabling interaction ज़्यादा है, personal interaction उतना नहीं है.
Sandeep Amit Jain, Sandeep Harbhajan ka Amit Jain.
Obvious answer, Sandeep Harbhajan.
Area chairman, are you there still in the chat? I'm sure you guys have been friends for a very, very long time, and that's the reason you are choosing him. 34-17.
34 or 17, 34 any day because of the sponsor table. That is because of them I am here. Because of my friend Arpit I am here.
Okay. So if you wake up as the following person, what would you do? Prahlad Kedia.
What would I do? I'll try to have a course to, sometimes speak less.
Khushi, I think the hamper is slipping away. Sandeep.
Sorry.
Sandeep Harbhajan ka.
If I wake up as Sandeep Harbhajan ka, again I think the same answer.
Okay. Jeet.
Jeet. Try to change my hairstyle.
I think you are very close to winning the hamper. I'm not sure about the MVP, but hamper to समझ में आ रहा है किसके पास जाएगा. Bunty bhai.
If I woke up as Bunty bhai, I don't know. Bunty bhai, never thought of that, but I would call some tabler and ask what is happening in Roundtable India because I'm not actively participating. Abhishek Agarwal. Abhishek Agarwal 293. He will be in 293 only. I think he'll go. No, he's already in 293. He's not in much active in area management. That was there first year, second year, but it's back to 293.
Okay. Kaushal Didwania, what would you do if you wake up as Kaushal Didwania?
I would mute Kunal first thing.
That was a good one. Very well. So, Khushi na ek question bahut atak rahi thi. I want to see how would you play when the same question is given to you. What song would you sing for Ashish Sonthalia?
What song will I sing for Ashish Sonthalia? I think Aa Dekhe Zara was an apt song, but can I sing Aa Dekhe Zara? Aa Dekhe Zara kisme hai tum?
I thought you
कहाँ
were.
तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है.
Yes, you're getting her back now.
See, I need time. Okay, I'm a little like tube-light that way.
Pankaj says RTI song. You can for him. So, Pankaj, that was a good one.
No, I would say chalo dil, something I don't know Dildar, but ye dosti aur kya dosti bhi chalega. He's a good friend. ऐसा क्या है?
And Robin?
Same, I think same. दोनों को लेके चलेंगे,
I think the hamper is just slipping away from you. Any which ways, you are the better judge. COVID with national vice president, vaccination with losing MVP. What would you choose?
Sorry, COVID with national vice president.
Getting infected by COVID and choosing national vice president, or getting
100% the second one.
vaccination without MVP.
Vaccination, boss. Vaccination in the sense, obviously, I will not take. The first priority would be not getting affected for COVID, so that I am not getting, transferring it to my family. That is the reason I am not traveling as well right now.
Who do you think apart from you can win the election?
Who do I think? I think Ashish Santhalia.
Okay. And why?
Why? It's for a simple reason that he has been active nationally very nicely over the last 1 or 2 years. Robin, though he was the area chairman of his area, but nationally, I'm not aware of. I have not seen him in many platforms. So I think so. That might be an edge for Ashish Santhalia.
Okay. And easiest way to piss Manish Lakhotia off? Easiest
way to piss is when I see a person taking, trying to implement something without his own mind. Very simple. If he's getting influenced, and I know that he's getting influenced and talking something, then yes.
So Khushbu has been able to piss you off a lot of times, or never at all?
No, she has a full mind of her own. She has never pissed me.
So
that is one thing which I like.
One message if you had to give to Robin and Ashish, the platform is all yours. What message would you give him?
All the best. That's it. Nothing else. All the best. That is what I would like to say to them. All the best to both of you. And I will not say may the best man win. I should win, but yeah, be good friends.
Okay. The last question as the rapid fire round. What is your vision and your action plan as the national vice president?
Action plan as national vice president. Well, I wanted to dedicate 20 minutes of my speech time when I would have been given in NAGM. It's very tough to cover it in rapid fire. However, quickly, if I would want to say, I believe in the concept of building on the best. I am 100% believer that over the past many years, people have created a best for Roundtable India. However, there is scope of improvement. And there are two things. One is as a national head board member or a area head board member, two things which a person has to do is motivate and structurize things. So motivation is by presence and trying to be there for the tablers and table. And structure is something which I believe coordination, I would say, is the major thing, wherein we try to create a system in place where there is very little scope or minimal scope of prejudice or one-sided things happening. And finally, if we talk about FTE, freedom through education, there is one thing which I think we have done a lot in FTE, but we need to do a lot towards the branding part of it, wherein I believe that instead of, apart from continuing with the classrooms, what we are doing, if we go for full-fledged projects within city limits, that will give a very good branding and image of Roundtable India in terms of attracting donors, getting to the public, normal public, and that is one thing which we should stress upon. Finally, as a national head board member, 2 words: coordination and motivation. If you can coordinate well between 10 people, you have done your job. That is what I think.
I loved it when you said finally 2 words. I was expecting that would be the last 2 words. So I guess that is what you have to go through when you become or when you contest for the national head board. So friends, we have had the rapid fire round. In the chat box, a small request from me is to write who do you think is the deserving winner of the rapid fire round. Please do not be partial. Please mention in the chat box and that will help us decide. Manish bhai, PSS Manish bhai national headboard में जगह नहीं देंगे ये जीतने से. खेतावत, खुशबू, धान्या, लाखोटिया, मनीष भाई, बेचारा PSS, शिल्पा, मनीष, खुशबू, मनीष, खुशी, खुशबू.
ऐसी biased answers.
चेतन प्रकाश
जो खुशी बोल रहे हैं मेरे को सबको मालूम है, मैं सबका आंसर्स biased है.
मनीष भाई, चेतन ने भी मैसेज किया, क्या लगता है क्या लिखा होगा?
चेतन कुछ भी लिख सकता है.
Very well. खुशबू. I think Manish bhai, you were really good, but the audience always goes for the real winner. Manish, you are going to win the NBP. Mani Munjal, thank you so much for making him feel good. Khushbu, you are the winner hands down because a lot of people have voted for you. Can we have Khushbu on the spotlight, please? Let us all see her enjoying.
Yes. Do we get a hamper?
Oh yes, I think we've already to everyone what hamper you've got. Thank you.
Do you want me to show it?
Yes.
आज I am getting to know कि when people act, मतलब क्या?
I was so confident I'm going to win. I kept it with myself only. So
See,
there
you have
it is.
Wow, such a beautiful hamper. Show it to us. What's
Yes, it is beautiful, and I'm going to show you what all is there inside.
So Kunal, if you see the chat box, you'll see why Khushi's name was then. People are writing, you have to share. Don't forget my cut.
Here it is. Can you see?
Wonderful.
It looks superb.
You know, have you seen Big Boss?
Thank you.
Have you
Thank you so much.
That's all thanks to our table and our chairman Devesh. Khushi, have you seen Big Boss?
Maybe a few. I don't really follow Big Boss, but
luxury budget मिलता है. Luxury budget में the winning team gets the luxury budget. They're not allowed to share with the losing team.
Oh, अच्छा. हाँ ठीक है. I will not share. It is mine. Yay! It's for Fab Gourmet. Thank you so much. It looks delicious, and whenever I use it, I will definitely share pictures.
Very well. Thank you so much, Manish. And
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure being part of this unique initiative by 293, and thank you, Kunal. You feel special when you are getting invited by for such events, and thank you for making us feel special. Devesh bhai, thanks a lot. You have been coordinating. I would name Shashank as well. You have been coordinating with me since last 20-25 days. Thanks a lot to entire 293, and I'm meaning it from my heart, and not one of the closest tables, which is flourishing in area 4 and with unique ideas, and wish you all the very best. Thanks a lot. It was really special. And Kunal bhai, I still envy you because you know it. I have told you many times that I try to speak, but I cannot speak fluently. And the day I achieve it, I would share it with you. Ki, haan, theek hai bhai. I always tell you that, you keep on correcting me whenever I'm giving some public speeches or anything. And you do that. Thanks a lot. It's a good bonding. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kunal. Thank you so much for inviting. I feel very, very special.
Just want to give the audience, Khushbu, please go ahead. Sorry for cutting.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I'm feeling very, very special. I feel like I'm a celebrity. So, कुछ तो फायदा हुआ मनीष लखोटे से शादी करके. मेरा मतलब, you took my interview. I've never done it before. I feel so special. I'm like feeling like Kareena Kapoor today. Thank you so much.
You're not only feeling like one, you're looking like one too, Khushbu.
Thank you so much.
बस यही नहीं आता है कुणाल.
Manish, that is how you.
मैं वही बोल रहा. I told you that then only. बस यही चीज नहीं आता है मेरे को.
My wife is saying, मेरे को भी दे दिया करो. She's sitting next to me, so she's saying, मेरे को भी दे दिया करो. Any which ways,
yeah, fair enough.
I would just like to say one more thing about Manish bhai. I'm very, very honored to be actually knowing him very well. When he was when the results were being announced for the first time, he was contesting for the AVC. He had 2 speeches prepared. One was the winning speech, and one was the losing speech. I think that is something we all should learn, that he is really, really prepared for whatever happens. He's going to give his best. On that very note, it's me, Kunal Jain, signing off from the 4th episode of Coffee with Kunal. See you next time with more fun, with better